Assalamualaikum and have a good day everyone. I'm Sharifah Nazatul Azila binti Syed Adenan. My number battery 263964. Okay, I would like to present my assignment 1, my individual assignment. My topic is what is the effective drivers of strategic management. Okay, First of all, what is strategic drivers? Strategic drivers are those factors that form the structure of an organization. So, even though simple planning has lost its glamour, many of these planners have become strategists. So, all of this may have distorted the definition of strategy, but it has also helped move managers focus from the planning process technicalities to practical impacts, to practical problems impacting their company's long-term well-being. So strategic management also is a turn-by-step path towards a serious overall management function to place and adapt organization to their environment in order to ensure their continuing existence and stability. So these discussions focus on the drivers of effective strategic management. You can see the structure of the organization and their distribution of resources. Many discussions undertaken have to determine whether strategic management drivers influence organization performance, and if they do, in which way they do have influenced the performance. So they may have a potential for rapid progress, but until then, potential is understood. Productive managers for change need to line up and organize all power. So managers must take the risk of the company. And first types of strategic drivers is leadership as a driver to implement strategic management. Leadership, normally we can refer to managers or our top management. Strategic leadership is guiding policy transition. Leadership is essential because it is only through effective strategic leadership that organization can effectively use the strategic management process. So, who are the organization's strategic leader? Strategy in leadership, including the board of directors, top management, managers, leaders, be equated with the whole top management leadership to ensure that everyone is supported to work on the strategy to improve the process, serve the customers, and active team players. Strategic leadership, ability to anticipate, retain flexibility, and inspire others to bring about strategic change when required. Second of the drivers strategic management is the importance of culture in an organization. Okay, organization culture is very important to understanding of strategic management as effective driver. It refers to the particular arrangement of norms, values, behaviors, reforms, and so that the characters individuals can interact to make things happen. The aim of the driver to explore the relationship between organization culture, strategy, and use specific organization culture to build powerful strategies and become competitive advantages in today's competitive climate. Then, effective organization can compete with other organization. Organization culture is very impacting because it can affect the success or failure of an organization. One strong organization culture can become one of the sustainable competitive advantages. First, there must be culture in the organization that in this form of culture will contribute to strategic growth. Next, organization perception or may become frameworks. Finally, we will see the success of the organization of the outcomes of approach. For example, we can see in AirAsia Airlines, why AirAsia workers came together on Twitter is an insight in the company's culture. So AirAsia names its workers All-Star. AirAsia names all its workers All-Stars. They call themselves All-Stars, consider them as stars. So everyone in AirAsia has Tony Fernandez, that their big boss, contact number from the boys to the senior management. So they are allowed to contact Tony directly without going through layers of bureaucracy to fix their problems quickly. So the AirAsia culture hold the right mindset, work hard. They put little emphasis on the personal experience of applicants during hiring process and concentrate more on the intellect and drive. The last one is technology as driver in an organization strategies. Technology can be a strategic driver which should consider placing almost any modern organization at the top of their list. It applies for the business leveraging technology and innovation to better support clients to achieve a competitive advantage in an organization. The use of technological system as drivers is such an integral part as far as organizations are concerned, since it increases performance of organizations in many ways. With this driver, companies use technologies to achieve strategic advantages over their organization. This to catch up the concepts, extend the talks about the word technology, which can influence things rather than electronics depend on stuff. Mostly that technological system sustainability can depends on the involvement of human resource in managing, creating, transferring, and implementing knowledge. Technology helps to formulate an organization's technology strategy, and its implementation provide success. Traditionally, technology strategy has been described as a document that continues how technology can be used as part of the overall strategy and each business strategy of an organization. We can see, for example, consumers and employees of the organizations apply technology in many ways that generates the value of the organization to ease the works. So completely align technology related decisions with the company's policies and business plans. That there is no separate technology strategy other than the strategic concept that organizations do not need to have a distinct technology strategy. So this means strategy really helps to ease their work, to deliver the information, to gain the information, to know the competitive of other organizations. Is for performance improvement. So the alignment of development programs with strategic corporate priorities can assist in achieving organization objective. In order to know how comprehensive strategic planning can help an organizations recognize the organization driver, consider an information technology IT department whose mission to develop IT system that support the service provided to the customer, the larger enterprise. So acquiring a IT system to serve customer needs to acquire IT system that serve customer needs must managing and tracking a budget that is adequate for the mission, also formally managing relationship through communication by managing expectation and personal interaction. So this means for the performance improvement, focus on all the staff in an organization should be importance of these drivers is for the communication or knowledge management. Sub-drivers have varying degrees of specificity depending on a firm's individual managerial needs. So these drivers are connected with inputs from the organization's vision, mission, and strategy to impact all the outputs related to reports from audit, planning, managerial objective, KPIs and management. So focus about how the organization retains its image and its name. Sets out of the role to be played by corporate communication, also advice of legal concerns on how regulation can be implemented internally and externally. This is important to avoid the failure, determine the chances of business implementing its strategy successfully. So with these drivers, it's very important gain the communication, good communication in the management.